Hi guys, Jacob here from Lanoguard. Just here to talk to you about our new injector wand that we've designed and the work that's gone into producing it and some of the parts that we've designed. All of our parts are designed and produced in the UK and we assemble them in-house at Lanoguard. Yeah, so we've designed the injection wand so that you can input it into box sections, seals, chassis rails or any hard to reach areas. Although we felt the last one was a great spray pattern, we've listened to your feedback and we feel that the new one is even better. We've designed a new 360-degree nozzle for our injection wand, which we've had 3D printed, and on the other end we have had aircraft aluminium turned into an adapter to fit our 1 litre pressure sprayer and also our standard trigger sprayer, so that you can get into all of the box sections and seals that you need to. Yeah, so I hope that video was helpful to you. Please just get in touch if you have any questions about the wand or anything Lanoguard, and we'll be happy to help.